The ambulances continue to bring in the patients, but the concern is whether there'll be staff to treat them. Staff shortages are crippling hospitals in Lincolnshire. A critical incident has been declared. According to the latest figures from NHS England, in the week running up to Christmas, there were more than 600 staff off sick with COVID every day at Lincolnshire's hospitals. And according to this internal memo leaked to the Sunday Times, this is compromising care.
Staff are absolutely exhausted. You have to appreciate that a lot of staff didn't take their annual leave, so people are now getting to the point where they're getting burnt out, but obviously they're having to self-isolate, and this is one of the major issues.
United Lincolnshire Hospitals Trust has issued a statement. It says as a result of significant staffing pressures due to absence related to COVID-19, we are having to take additional steps to maintain services. Our staff continue to work exceptionally hard, and we would like to reassure our patients and the public that in spite of the challenges faced, essential services remain fully open for anyone who needs them. So people should continue to come forward for care.
This isn't either unique to Lincolnshire or indeed the first time that it's happened in Lincolnshire. What I think people should bear in mind is, of course, getting the jab is hugely important, but the NHS in Lincolnshire continues to be open for those who need it.
Speaking at a booster centre earlier today, the Prime Minister said they are looking at ways to bolster staffing in Lincolnshire.
I appreciate the pressures that our hospitals are under. I think it's vital that we make sure that we help them by trying to contain the pandemic in the ways that I've set out. And we're looking at what we can do to move people into those areas that are particularly badly affected.
Elsewhere, Hull and Northern Lincolnshire's hospitals may not have declared a critical incident, but we're told staffing is very tight.
Obviously, there's very urgent surgical work that we're still needing to take place, and unfortunately, we're having to cancel some of that as a result of these operational pressures. So the system's under a huge amount of pressure, as are the community services and the urgent treatment centres in and around the Hull and the East Riding environment.
The message tonight across the whole of Lincolnshire and East Yorkshire is to stay away from hospital unless you have a genuine accident or emergency. Caroline Bilton, BBC Look North.